as I believe that it's all about my acceptance, how I accept myself with makeup or without makeup. Anything is fine. If you guys, welcome back to my another new vlog. I hope all of you are doing good. So today I'm going to do something what is basically not cup of my tea, that is makeup. Basically I'm not interested in doing makeup at all. For me it's like something a huge time needed work, or like choosing a lot of product according to skin and many things maybe is very difficult for me. Sometimes I thought to do some makeup, then I take some makeup tutorial video, and then I decide no, it's fine how I am, as simple as I am. Like wherever I go is maybe universities, maybe official place or program, whatever it is, for me makeup is like only a moisturizer cream and just a lipstick. That's enough for me to getting ready. But we all need some changes sometimes. For that I thought let's try something, not maybe a lot of products, but with some less product also I can do something, or create a new look. So for that I have ordered some product from Nykaa. Now I'll show you that what I ordered. And before that, actually you can see now there's nothing in my face, because I want to show you after how I look without putting anything, and how I look after put those things I bought on my face. So let's show you guys what actually I bought. See, here it is. So this is basically Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, because my skin is very oily. You guys can already see there's nothing in my face after that. Also it's very oily, so that's why I thought it will be good for my skin, and I saw many good reviews for this one. And then I didn't bought any foundation or any compact, because I don't know, I just feel like I'm not good after putting that. So that's why I just bought a Garnier BB cream. For this also I saw good reviews. And the other product is concealer. This is actually used for hiding the marks, and you can see I have a lot of pimple marks on my face. I don't know it will work or not. This is the first time I'll try this. And this is highlighter. As my skin is oily, so naturally it's look like even though I didn't put anything after that also, it's like I put highlighter kind of things, but nothing like that. So I will check how this one is looking, and after putting originally highlighter how I will look. And I thought I will buy a eyeshadow palette, but as I am not interested in makeup that much, so later I thought why just waste of money. I just bought this Swiss Beauty liquid one shade eyeshadow, because for just using 1-2 times I think this is enough, and this is also cute. And after putting a lot of makeup product like primer, foundation, then I don't even know all the product used for makeup. But after that, for fixing the makeup, they use this makeup fixer, but I didn't bought a lot of product after that. Also, I don't know, I feel like to bought this one, so I bought this also. Yeah, that's it. And this is actually, my hair is very messy whenever I go out. It's like it's become fully jungle, and so that's why I bought this hair serum. I don't know, it will help me to keep the hair in place. I'll just try. Okay, and this also for putting the makeup. This is also, I don't know I'll use this or not, but I just bought. And as I'm not good in doing makeup, I didn't even do before. I'm going to put all these things for the first time, so I better do it in off camera, otherwise you will say that this girl is mad, she don't know anything how to put what, and she's making just video. So that's why I will put these things off camera. After that, how I will how I look, you can comparison between without makeup and with makeup product. So yeah, let's just try, and I'll shoot again after putting all of this. So you guys can see my makeup is done, and you guys can comparison between before makeup and after makeup look. And I think there's not much changes, but yeah, one thing is I think I choose correct product for me, as I was in dilemma that it maybe could be too bad, but it's not like that. And before, what product I showed, except that the rest of the product I use is this is eyebrows pencil, is basically from my country, so I can't tell from where I bought. There is two shade, black and brown, as my eyebrow is already in shape, so I just put a little bit brown hairs. And I put I don't like black color mascara, because if it's fall down, it will look bad. So that's why I use this Wet n Wild clear mascara. This is also I like so much. And then I use this Nykaa mini red color lipstick, what I bought last year. And after that, I put this pencil magenta color lipstick. So from both this color is came, and also a bindi. And the product I like most is this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow, what is shade number 3, champagne. This is amazing, and you can see there's only this, you no need to take any extra pressure, you just put like eyeliner, or you can like shadow, any way you can use this is actually very good and beautiful product. So yeah, I like this most. So let me know in the comment section below that what you thought about makeup, as I believe that it's all about my acceptance, how I accept myself with makeup or without makeup. Anything is fine. If you think that you look good or you feel comfortable after put makeup, that also absolutely fine. And if someone think that without makeup with simple look they feel okay, then that's also fine. So yeah, I wanted to try some new look, that's why I tried it today. Just let me know that how was it. So please subscribe my channel, girls, for encourage me, and also so that I can also encourage you and lot of girls by my simplicity and different kind of experiences. And also I will put all of the links of the products I used, so that it will be easier for you to choose or buy if you want. So for today, bye bye.